Heiss. From Bakersfield, California, Ralph McKnight. And also from Bakersfield, Abe Bellardo. Our referee in charge of this bout, he'll be giving instructions after the introductions, Jack Reese. All right, fans, here we go. 12 rounds of boxing for the vacant WBO Intercontinental Junior Featherweight Championship. Introducing to you first on my right, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing the colors of his home country, white trunks with blue trim, hailing from Managua, Nicaragua. He weighed in at 120.6 pounds or 54.7 kilos. His record, 27 wins, 5 losses, with 23 big wins coming by way of knockout. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the hard-hitting former world title challenger, introducing William Chiriso Gonzalez. And his opponent across the ring on my left, fighting out of the red corner, wearing neon green trunks, fighting out of and representing his home of Cebu City, Cebu in the Philippines. He weighed in at 121.8 pounds or 55.2 kilos. He is undefeated in his campaign in the ring with a fine record of 24 wins, no losses, 17 wins coming by way of knockout. Ranked number 6 in the world by the WBO and the WBC, number 3 in the world by the IBF. Tonight making his U.S. debut, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the undefeated Prince Albert Pangara. Once again, here's our referee in charge. Now to give instructions, Jack Reese.
Unang biyahe sa Amerika, unang laban sa Amerika, and I'm sure dahil sa nakita niyang tagumpay ng kanyang mga kababayan, gusto rin manalo ba yung knockout ni Albert Pagara. Undefeated as an amateur and as a professional. Pero sabi nga natin, mahirap na kalaban itong si William Gonzalez.
21 years of age and 24 years of age for Gonzalez, 21 for Pagara. 1.7 in height, 1.73 in Gonzalez, 55.2 kilograms weight for Pagara, and 54.7 for Gonzalez.
Okay, 12 rounds ito para sa bakanteng WBO Intercontinental Junior Featherweight Championship. Prince Albert Pagara, naka-neon green. Ang kalaban mula Nicaragua, si Gonzalez, nakaputi. Oh, napasok ang straight ni Gonzalez. Yeah, very aggressive. And, you know, Gonzalez is known to be a strong fighter with a lot of power. Yun nga, the only thing medyo disadvantage sa kanya, matagal na siyang hindi lumaban. His first fight,
very good counter for Pagara.
Nakadalawang knockout win na po tayo.
Very good counter hook for Pagara. He's doing it right now. He's looking and he's aiming for a good counter. But you see the power of
Prince Albert.
Of Gonzalez as well. He's throwing
Gonzalez
wide punches, and they are very, very dangerous punches. One thing, the good thing about Pagara is very patient. And that's what he should be, is be patient.
Sana hindi siya
very low. That was a very, very low.
You gotta bring that up. Masariba, you okay? Need a second? No? Good? Box.
So dito rin nag-ensayo si Albert Pagara sa Amerika. Loved it as well. Big test for him. Oh, solid.
They're both very strong.
Yeah, ang lalakas ng dalawang.
The intensity when they put together. Pag sumusuntok sila,
nakakatakot no nito.
Very good counter.
Sabi nga nila,
straight in the hook.
Sabi niya, may tutumba dito sa fight na to. Pareho nilang sinabi sa press conference.
Both guys have incredible power. Oh, good left hook. Good counter. Good counter.
Naku, kailangan mag-ingat.
Watch behind the head. In the cabeza.
Oh boy.
Pagara stalking, but being patient and trying to counter. Ito naman si Gonzalez, being southpaw is very difficult, especially na aggressive, because elbows, headbutts. It was blocked, partially blocked, but mafe-feel mo pa rin yun eh, kahit na natamaan ka.
Good aggression there mula kay Pagara.
In terms of overall talent, mas maganda itong Oh, he
Left
rocked
is-
him with that.
Left. Oh,
good
wow.
straight.
Solid straight.
Very good straight. Very good hook. Pagara is very patient right now.
Wow.
He's actually fighting like a veteran.
Unang laban sa Amerika rin ni Prince Albert. Ang mas batang Pagara. Kanina, ang kanyang kapatid
Step out,
si Jason
step
nanalo
out.
via
Box.
knockout. Second round.
I've seen Pagara train, and he trains like 10 times more than me. This guy is a machine.
I know.
Very good
Ayun na naman
straight.
yung kanyang straight. Oh, pinagmamalaki nga niya yung mga pandesal niya sa tiyan sa way in.
And he's trying to counter with that hook. Good body shot.
Woo!
Good 1-2 for Gonzalez.
Hard.
Although, oh, good counter. He's finding the rhythm. He's finding the rhythm. Pagara is finding that rhythm.
Hard hitting
round.
first round. We'll be back. Balikan natin ang aksyon mula sa unang
Counter
round.
left hook.
Momento, por favor. Cuidado con la tía.
And that's what was working. And then that straight,
Solid.
he's hit him with that a few times in this round. And then that counter as well. So he's finding the rhythm. Pagara is finding the rhythm in the distance.
Ito ang unang big test para kay Prince Albert Pagara. But he wants it. You know, that's the important thing. Like we were making kwento earlier. You can train only so much, but the mind has to be the one that will make you win.
That's the
Or
mindset.
determine how far you go. Round 2, Pagara versus Gonzalez. Para sa WBO Intercontinental Junior Featherweight belt. Pinoy Pride 33 Philippines versus the world. Dayan Castillo ko po. Kasama si Nonito Donaire. Nalalaban sa Disyembre. Abangan natin yan, Nonito, diba? December 11 sa
Opo.
Puerto Rico. And you're fighting?
Cesar Suarez ng
Juarez.
Mexico. Yeah.
Juarez. Alright, so that was a very hard-hitting first round.
And now they know that they're both powerful. Kaya nga
Medyo
they're
nag-iingat.
nag-iingat silang dalawa.
Mm. Kailangan nga hindi maging careless o magmadali itong si Prince Albert. Oh, nakapaw, ganda.
Very good 1-2.
Oh, ganda yung 1-2 ni Prince Albert.
Kahit ako, natamaan ako nung straight ni Albert ng ganyan. It's very, very fast and very precise.
Definitely
Stop.
mas mabilis
Nobody
si
punch.
Prince Albert kay
Step
Gonzalez.
back,
Pero
step back.
Gonzalez
Box.
got the power too.
And kahit mas mabagal ka or less talented, pag may power ka,
Yeah.
there's always a chance of winning.
Yes. At kailangan, when you throw, kailangan mag-ingat ka kasi baka bumalik sa'yo ng mas malakas. No?
Especially yung mga Latin fighters.
O, laban niya.
Sumasabay palagi. Especially with the power.
So this is Pinoy kontra
Suértelo,
Latino.
suértelo.
Oh. Lakas. Being live, maririnig mo talaga.
Oh.
Very good straight and very good left hook.
Tapang talaga. Oh, wow. Solid right. Wala kay Prince Albert.
Pagara's counter punching and moving. Ang maganda kay Pagara is pag sumusuntok siya, dumidiretso siya sa
Albert, let him go, Albert.
Yung part na hindi ka makita. The blind spot.
Nobody punch. Stop,
So pag
stop,
sumusuntok siya,
stop.
pumupunta siya sa
You have
blind
mine in.
spot.
Box.
Kaya nga hindi siya matatamaan. And then he comes back for another counter. He's executing it beautifully.
Malapitan laban to, no?
Albert, bring it up, Albert.
At close range. Medyo wild yung kay Gonzalez. Again, body shot from Prince Albert. Nag-enjoy ang mga Pinoy dito sa StubHub Center.
Just the power that these two guys
Yeah.
are throwing.
This is a
What about-
12-round fight. Kailangan mag-ipon muna sila ng lakas, ano?
Albert, you got to bring it up, Albert.
You know, I'm inspired watching Albert train.
Oh,
he
down,
went
down. Oh,
He hit him under.
He hit him.
I think he hit him.
after he fell
He was down. Oh,
We
he's
got a
playing
point and the
now.
guy's down. Relax. Okay. Give
That
me
was a clear
5-minute
knockdown.
clock. Okay.
That was a clear
Listen.
knockdown. It's just that
Okay.
He punched him after the
After,
knockdown.
yes.
Tingnan natin ang ano.
Respira. ¿Está bien? Respira.
replay.
Respira.
So ngayon, yung referee tinatanong
Okay.
si
¿Está bien? Stand up. Stand
Gonzalez
up.
kung
Come on.
kaya
I'm gonna
niya
give you
huminga.
5
Pero
minutos.
palagay ko,
Stand up.
nagpapahinga lang to.
Albert, hey, get over there. No, get over there. Albert. Hey, go
Nahatamat
stand
din
over
si
here.
Prince Albert. Akala niya tapos na yung fight.
yeah, hindi niya
Stay
akalain
here.
na he has
5
a
minutes,
foul.
okay? Just relax. Okay.
Ah. So when that
No, no,
happens,
no.
how many minutes is
I'm not
there?
going to give him
5
5 minutes. I'm just going to give him a couple of minutes to get his head on straight. Listen, you want to do my job, or am I going to do my job? Okay. Albert, you got to be very careful. You just hit him while he was on the ground. Okay, I could disqualify you right now. You understand?
He's apologizing,
Apologize.
Albert.
Yeah. Sobrang ano
Kasi
kasi
minsan naman,
gigil eh.
minsan
Listo?
naman hindi mo maano yun eh. Kasi
Necesito
you're going
más
with the
tiempo?
competition.
Yeah, yung adrenaline.
Flowing.
no?
You're flowing, your body's
Minuto?
flowing.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's going to need 1 more minute, and he's going to be ready to roll.
Wow.
Okay?
Referee's
When I'm done,
really
I'll tell
giving
you.
this guy a lot.
Hey, hold on. Stay there.
That's actually
Stay
that's
there.
very, very
Stay
nice
there.
for the ref na hindi na
Scored
dinisqualify
a knockdown. It was accidental
Pagara.
in the front. No points.
Yeah, because
Just an
usually nung
accidental,
natalo si
no
Roy
points.
Jones dati,
No points.
it was
Scored a
because
knockdown.
they faked.
Scored a knockdown. Scored a knockdown.
So they scored the
Do not do
knockdown.
that again. It's bad news. You ready?
So
Warning,
that's
ready?
good. That's a
strong
good
warning
warning.
para kay
Yes.
ano. Pagara. Tingnan natin how that may change things here dito.
Time.
End of the round.
Good round.
Okay, tingnan natin muli no nito ang nangyari. Okay, action mula sa round 2.
So he throws that straight, and then he went, and you would think it was gonna go up, and that's why Jack Reese was saying he's giving him the benefit of the doubt because parang aakyat siya eh. Parang he looks like he was gonna stand up.
Mukhang titindig.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Kaya nga he was not deducted at all, which was good call for
Good
the
call
referee.
by the referee,
Yes.
ah. Sharp
Very,
ref.
very good call.
Yan ang mga ref, no?
Hey.
Ilang beses niya winarnginan si Prince Albert.
Box.
Ngayon, tingnan natin kung magbago ang takbo ng fight because of that. O medyo aggressive si Gonzalez.
Let him go,
body
Albert.
shot.
Let him go.
Again, Albert going into the blind spot.
Prince Albert Pagara naka-isang knockdown sa round 2.
Oh,
Ayun.
good combination.
Kombinasyon mula kay Prince Albert.
Ang ganda ng combination. Upper,
Wow.
body, head.
Up and down.
And this Gonzalez is very tough.
He is.
Grabe.
He's tough, ha?
Ilang beses na eh.
Oo.
Ilang beses na tamaan na malakas. And he still keeps coming forward.
Tough hombre. Taga Nicaragua.
Good straight.
Sugod ng sugod.
The good thing for Pagara is ang taas ng yung kamay niya, yung defense is high.
Yun nga sinasabi nyo, no? That defense in this fight will go a long way
Yes.
against a hard-hitting guy. Like, pero ngayon, nakatali sila.
And you
Cuidado
can
con
see
la
na
cabeza.
parang
Stop. Cuidado con la cabeza.
the roughness of the opponent because he throws in the back of the head,
Yes,
top of the
yes.
head. Talagang magulan yung style.
Kaya nga hindi ito madaling fight para kay Pagara. Gonzalez, oh!
Beautiful straight.
Yan naman, mga
But
power
good counter
shots.
back.
Ilang beses nang lumaban dito sa Amerika si Gonzalez, so definitely more experience.
uppercut.
Good uppercut from Pagara.
Very
right
good uppercut.
Nandito sila sa harap namin, naririnig namin ang bawat suntok. Ang sakit!
Ang ganda ng style ni Pagara is kahit sumusuntok yung kalaban, kasi nakikita mo, he goes over to the head and pretends na tinatamaan sa mukha.
Tapang tong si Gonzalez.
See? Tingnan mo. He throws in the back of the head. Good. Good. Very good.
Whoa!
It's definitely an entertaining fight.
Yes!
A beautiful fight.
Kaya enjoy ang mga fans dito. Almost 100% Filipino dito sa StubHub Center. At binabati namin kayo saan man sa mundo are watching via the Filipino channel. Pinoy.
Cuidado con la cabeza.
Good one too.
Nakapasok na naman sa isang straight.
Well, Gonzalez is starting to slow down in terms of his power.
Ayun, ang sinasabi mo
People are
nagpapalakas. Oy. Imagine mo, unang fight niya sa American, sinachant na yung pangalan niya.
He loves that. He loves that.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a good hook, but there was a
Time.
End of
low
the
blow.
round. At one point, mukhang may low blow si Pagara, pero hindi, ano?
It's just a
Parang
swipe.
swipe.
A swipe, yes. Again,
Back of the head.
with Gonzalez going up, going behind the ears, most of the punches when he's inside. Pagara seems confident still.
Ayaw,
Sanjay
sa ring.
He said not to stand on the ring, not to lean on the ring.
Oo. Yan, yung coach niya magkapatid rin, si Edmund at si Edito Villamol. You spend a lot of time with these guys, ano?
They're amazing people. The Ala guys.
At
Yeah.
nag-enjoy ka sa pag-training mo sa Cebu, ano?
Yeah, Bisaya ako eh.
Oo nga. Round 4 na po tayo para sa WBO Intercontinental Junior Featherweight Championship. Prince Albert Pagara. Naka-neon yellow. Yan ang pambato ng Pilipinas. Kalaban ang tough hombre ng Nicaragua. Chiriso
Surprisingly, itong si Gonzalez ang
Naka-recover.
he's a tough guy.
Considering,
And very dangerous.
Yeah, 34 years old. Pero like you said, yan naman yung experience goes a long way talaga.
Filling
good
out, throwing
exchange.
combinations. Good body shot. Yeah, this Chorizo. Grabe. Chorizo.
Chorizo.
But he's very strong.
Yeah.
He is a very dangerous
Oh,
opponent.
ngayon, very dangerous. Kita mo, parang nabawi niya ang kanyang lakas. After that
Albert naman,
knockdown.
kailangan niya na counter without throwing too much wasted punches. But right now he's pacing himself.
Has to keep his composure dito sa unang laban niya sa Amerika.
Let him go, Albert.
Referee taking control dito sa laban. In sparring, si Prince Albert sparred a lot of Olympic hopefuls and sa wildcard gym sa LA. Mahigit isang buwan sila dito sa Amerika.
Good jab, straight jab from Gonzalez. It's a long reach jab.
Mas matangkad kasi si Gonzalez.
I think that's what's missing ni Pagara is wala siyang jab. Looking for knockout punches. Good
Tama,
body
tama.
shot. Good uppercut. Tasik yung pawis.
Habang reach ni no Gonzalez. Yun, yung jab niya.
Good one too.
Look at that upper body physique doon ni Albert, Grabe.
He works hard. That
Yeah.
boy works hard.
Good example.
He just needs to learn to be patient right now and counter and not get too aggressive. Just counter, look at his opponent's movement,
Yeah.
just like that.
Yun.
Yan lang. 1-2, 1-2.
At the
Jab.
right time.
Timing.
Timing.
Good 1-2 again. And then alis. Pagkatapos ng suntok, alis. Again, behind the
Oh.
ears for Gonzalez. Oh,
Pagara
good
looking
hook.
for a strong finish.
Oh, good overhand.
Dito sa
They're trying to finish. Good round.
good fight. Okay, ito yung pagtapos
Overhand.
ng last round.
Overhand. And the 1-2. Right between the guys, huh?
Yeah.
Good counter. Good hook. Thing yung sinabi ko is to be patient because the opening will come.
You have a hard time being patient to the ring, no?
Yes,
Dati
I
kasi
have.
sa mga lightweight, puro knockout ang panalo mo. You had to learn the hard way to
I
be
had to learn the
patient,
hard way,
no?
yes.
Kasi pag, when you know you have the power, no, the hardest thing is to wait.
Yes, yes. Round 5. Filling each other out. Pagara throwing the jabs, which is good because that sets up his patience and his 1-2. Again, he's not listening to what his coaches are telling him, which is not to lean on the ropes. But then mahirap din. Good counters. Good 1-2. Just the viciousness of the punches that Pagara is throwing.
Yeah.
Grabe.
He
Sakit
really,
nun.
talaga, determined talaga siya. Pero, believe ako sa toughness itong si, Gonzalez. Tama nga si Mr. Nathaniel.
To Ronnie Nathaniels, we love you, man.
Yeah, miss you.
And I know you're coaching me right now.
Ito ang unang Pinoy Pride Series sa Amerika. After 5 years, sa wakas, nangyari din. Nakuha ng Ala Promotions ang kanilang boxing license dito. At ito ang first, hopefully, ng marami pang Pinoy Pride dito sa Amerika. After this, ang ating main event, Donnie Nietes versus Pinky Alejo. Oh,
Good over. Oh, he had him. He had him.
Whoa! Rocked him.
He got him good. That was good overhand
Yun
again.
na naman.
And he's gonna do it again. Good mix-up. Hindi lang yung over. He's going under. Good left
naman.
hook.
Woo!
This kid fights like a veteran.
Oo.
This kid fights like a veteran.
Solid yun. Oh,
He's finishing him.
right, left.
He's finishing him now. If Jack is gonna, the referee's gonna step in if he doesn't.
Yeah, now he let one punch go.
But the patience that Pagara is showing right now, for a very young kid, for a very young guy, he's the patience that he's showing.
Crowd loves
Good
it.
overhand. Nakita mo, hilong-hilo na to si Alejo, ay, si Gonzalez.
Yeah. Pero ngayon,
But he
malaban
still
pa rin.
fights.
Now this is what the crowd wants. This kind of fights where talagang lumalaban ang bawat.
Right now, Pagara is watching for a good counter. That's exactly what he's waiting on right now.
Yeah.
Is for a good counter left hook and overhand. There's the hook. It didn't go through.
Nobody punch. Stop. Come in.
Mas buti, hindi siya nagmamadali, ano?
I'm impressed. Good overhand. And he's gonna counter with the hook.
Oh, body shot naman. Oh, nakaka-counter si
Good counter for Gonzalez. Good counter, but again, Pagara, Jason Pagara, Albert Pagara is just watching for a finishing move right now. He's
Last 10
stalking
seconds.
patiently with the hook, hits him with the hook. Looking for that hook. There you go, and the hook in the straight.
Solid left, right na naman.
Time.
Woo! Oops.
Go in the corner. Be quiet.
Putting after the bell naman siya.
Well, I guess they're even now.
Even na. Patas na.
Round 6.
Wow, grabe yun, ha? Heavy hitting mula
Counter
kay
hook straight
Pagara.
and hurt. Gonzalez tries to finish him here with power punches.
Ang bibigat ng mga suntok ni
Pero yung overhand
Prince
right,
Albert.
yung
Oh,
overhand,
naman.
yung overhand is one key that really hurt Gonzalez. And then of course the counter left hook. And that's what Pagara was looking for in the end of the round, which he never landed. But he's gonna try to do it again, I believe, for this coming round.
Pero nakakabilib itong si Gonzalez na still standing. Tama.
He is definitely more patient than the young me.
Get that water up.
I'm
no,
very impressed with this kid.
Nung edad na yan, ikaw talagang 2 rounds lang yung mga fight. Tataw. Prince Albert Pagara, unang laban sa Amerika, debut. Looking good.
Cut from a punch.
They said it was a cleared a cut from a punch.
Yung kay Gonzalez.
So what they're
No.
doing right now, Gonzalez is trying to keep his hopes up by being aggressive. But it's very clear now na hindi na gaano kalakas yung suntok ni Gonzalez as to before. It was very dangerous.
Prince Albert,
Good left hook.
minsan hindi natalo sa ring. As an amateur or as a professional, diyan nakukuha ang kanyang kumpiyansa na nakikita nyo sa ring.
Good counter hook.
Yan, sumisigaw ang mga Pinoy dito sa StubHub Center. Sana nag-enjoy ka. May pagka-kengkoy rin itong si Albert, no? But
That's his personality.
Yeah, well, you gotta show your personality sa ring, di ba?
That's the thing is, inside that ring, you're a different person because if you show that you lack the killer instinct, you know, the opponent will take advantage of that. So as to now, again, that overhand, kunti na lang, just a slight more couple of inches siguro that would have landed. But the confidence is definitely there for Pagara. But the hopes from Gonzalez is still within his heart.
Oo,
Still
tapang
burning.
niya, no?
Yes, and he's still fighting. He's actually winning this round.
Fighter mula sa Nicaragua. Fought for the world title. 34 years old. Pagara scored 1 knockdown sa second round. And almost finished him off.
I think it'll be a matter of time, just landing it right.
Ayun!
1-2.
Narinig
That
ka!
was hit.
Narinig ka!
Good 1-2.
Wow!
Cinco.
That's the patience.
Amazing patience.
That's the
Kay
patience.
Albert Pagara. Bilib ako. Bilib. Ay!
Gonzalez
it's
is
over.
done.
Woohoo!
Pagara victorious.
Wow, umiiyak sa saya si Prince Albert.
He is
Grabe.
very impressive.
Bilib. Let's go back to that sensational
Two
finish.
jabs, a la Manny Pacquiao style, with the 2-1-2.
Jab.
With the jab cup, and then the 1-2 after that. Again, 1-2.
Whoa.
Same thing that Manny does to a lot of his opponents.
At syempre, nagpapasalamat ang mga Pinoy boxer kay Manny Pacquiao na nagbukas talaga ng pinto para sa lahat ng mga Pinoy boxer, including yourself.
Very
Nandito.
true. I concur with that.
And there's Prince Albert.
Very happy. Very happy
Undefeated
kid.
pa rin. Woohoo! Proudly wearing.
Well-deserved victory
Yes.
against a really tough opponent.
Balik tayo kay Jimmy Lennon serving.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the time of 2 minutes, 20 seconds in round number 6. Our referee in charge, Jack reaches the count of 10. He is the winner by way of knockout. He is still undefeated. He is now the WBO Intercontinental Junior Featherweight Champion, Prince Albert Pagara.
So happy for these guys kasi alam mo, napakasarap na nagbunga ang mahirap na trabaho, di ba? So, again, talagang proud moment para sa mga Pinoy dito
Excited.
sa Carson. So, balikan natin ang laban. Ito, umpisa ng fight.
With Jason Pagara's counter left hook and counter straight. Wow. And then the 1-2, the jab 1-2 hook straight that landed a lot. Although that was when they had to oh, the 1-2 that came again.
Grabe. Gaya ng sinabi natin, nakita
And then
natin ang
finish.
power. Yan, sa round 6, tinapos si Prince Albert Pagara ang fight. Unang biyahe sa Amerika, unang laban sa Amerika, and I'm sure dahil sa nakita niyang tagumpay ng kanyang mga kababayan, gusto rin manalo ba yung knockout ni Albert Pagara. Undefeated as an amateur na sa professional. Pero sabi nga natin, mahirap na kalaban itong si William Gonzalez.
21 years of age and 24 years of age for Gonzalez, 21 for Pagara, 1.7 in height, 1.73 in Gonzalez, 55.2 kilograms weight for Pagara, and 54.7 for Gonzalez.
Okay, 12 rounds ito para sa bakanteng WBO Intercontinental Junior Featherweight Championship. Prince Albert Pagara, naka-neon green. Ang kalaban mula Nicaragua, si Gonzalez, nakaputi. Oh, napasok ang straight ni Gonzalez. Yeah, very aggressive. And, you know, Gonzalez is known to be a strong fighter with a lot of power. Yun nga, the only thing medyo disadvantage sa kanya, matagal na siyang hindi lumaban. His first fight.
Very good counter.
Sabi niya, may tutumba dito sa fight na to. Pareho nilang sinabi sa press conference.
Both guys have incredible power.
Oh, wow,
good left hook. Good counter.
Oy.
Good counter.
Naku, kailangan mag-ingat.
Watch behind the head. In the cabeza.
Oh boy.
Pagara
Okay.
stalking, but being patient and trying to counter. Ito naman si Gonzalez. Being southpaw is very difficult, especially na aggressive, because elbows, headbutts. It was blocked, partially blocked, but mafe-feel mo pa rin yun eh, kahit natatamaan ka.
Good aggression there mula kay Pagara.
In terms of overall talent, mas maganda tong, he rocked them with that.
Left,
Good
wow,
straight.
solid straight.
Very good straight, very good hook. Pagara is very patient right now.
Wow.
He's actually fighting like a veteran.
Unang laban sa Amerika rin ni Prince Albert, ang mas batang Pagara. Kanina, ang kanyang kapatid si Jason nanalo.
Kais from Bakersfield, California, Ralph McKnight, and also from Bakersfield, Abe Belardo. Our referee in charge of this bout, he'll be giving instructions after the introductions, Jack Reese. All right, fans, here we go. 12 rounds of boxing for the vacant WBO Intercontinental Junior Featherweight Championship. Introducing to you first on my right, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing the colors of his home country, white trunks with blue trim, hailing from Managua, Nicaragua. He weighed in at 120.6 pounds or 54.7 kilos. His record, 27 wins, 5 losses, with 23 big wins coming by way of knockout. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the hard-hitting former world title challenger, introducing William Chiriso Gonzalez.
For Pagara.
Nakadalawang knockout win na po tayo.
Very good counter hook for Pagara. He's doing it right now. He's looking and he's aiming for a good counter. But you see the power of
Prince Albert.
Of Gonzalez as well. He's throwing
Gonzalez
wide punches, and they are very, very dangerous punches. One thing, the good thing about Pagara is very patient. And that's what he should be patient.
Sana hindi siya
Very low.
magpalo.
That was a very, very low.
You gotta bring that up. Masariba, you okay? Need a second? No? Good? Box.
So dito rin nag-ensayo si Albert Pagara sa Amerika. Loved it as well. Big test for him. Oh, solid.
They're both
may
very
power. Yeah,
strong.
ang lalakas ng
And
dalawang.
the intensity when they put together, pag sumusuntok sila,
Oo nga, nakakatakot no nito.
Very good counter.
Sabi nga
Good
nila.
straight in the hook.
And his opponent across the ring on my left, fighting out of the red corner, wearing neon green trunks, fighting out of and representing his home of Cebu City, Cebu in the Philippines. He weighed in at 121.8 pounds or 55.2 kilos. He is undefeated in his campaign in the ring with a fine record of 24 wins, no losses, 17 wins coming by way of knockout. Ranked number 6 in the world by the WBO and the WBC, number 3 in the world by the IBF. Tonight making his U.S. debut, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the undefeated Prince Albert Pagara. Once again, here's our referee in charge. Now to give instructions, Jack Reese.